It's the only place in the United States where manufacturing leaders in additive manufacturing come together to display their new technologies alongside a technical conference that includes information from some of the leading academics and researchers in the world of additive manufacturing. There are still several technologies that are proven for different types of manufacturing cases, and those technologies have gone through many states of certification and qualification within large manufacturing organizations and are trusted for manufacturing in automotive and aerospace and medical and many other arenas. I'll use medical as an example. I don't work in the medical field, but there are some technologies that have been developed recently that offer the precision and accuracy needed in the medical industry that when I look at them through a different lens, I see that they could potentially be solutions for issues that I might have in 3D printed electronics industry. So don't get caught in your own business vertical. When you're going to RAPID plus TCT, go with an open mind, check out all of the technology spaces. Even if they're focused on one type of manufacturing vertical at this point, doesn't mean that those technologies can't be useful elsewhere. I've seen the organization just grow into this world-renowned location for not just an expo for OEMs to show off their technologies, but for the world's leading scientists and engineers to share their discoveries in the conference. And I'm very excited to continue to do that and to continue to be part of RAPID plus TCT.